Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your old life? Do you want to change but don't know where to begin? This powerful motivational story of Sam will inspire you to take action today. It is a beautiful and heart-touching story with a strong life lesson. This story is also perfect for English learners because it uses simple daily life English sentences. You can practice speaking, improve your vocabulary, and build confidence while listening. Remember, change does not need money. Change needs a decision. Watch till the end and repeat with me for better English speaking practice. The story of Sam, a new beginning. Sam was a young man who lived in a small town. Every day his life was the same. He woke up late. He checked his phone. He watched videos. He ate food. He slept again. Days passed, weeks passed, months passed, but nothing changed. Sam often looked at himself in the mirror and said, "Is this my life? Is this all I will become?" He felt tired, but not from work. He felt tired from doing nothing. A life without purpose. Sam did not like his job. He worked in a small shop. He earned little money. He complained every day. He said, "I don't have time. I don't have money. I don't have luck." But deep inside, Sam knew the truth. He had time. He just wasted it. At night, Sam could not sleep well. He thought about his dreams. When he was a child, he wanted to be a better person. He wanted to learn English. He wanted to travel. He wanted to help his family. But now he felt stuck. A rainy day changed everything. One rainy evening, Sam was walking home. He saw an old man sitting near the road. The old man looked poor, but his face was calm and peaceful. He was smiling. Sam felt curious. He stopped and asked, "Sir, why are you smiling in the rain?" The old man said, "Because I am alive, and today is a new chance." Sam was surprised. He said, "But you look poor. How can you smile?" The old man replied, "Being poor is not the worst thing. The worst thing is living without hope." These words touched Sam's heart, the lesson of decision. Sam sat beside the old man. They talked for a long time. Sam shared his problems. "My life is boring. I want to change, but I don't know how." The old man looked at Sam and said, "Change does not need money. Change needs a decision." Sam asked, "What decision?" The old man answered, "Decide to start, decide to try, decide to become better than yesterday." Then the old man stood up and walked away. Sam never saw him again, but those words stayed in his mind. The first small step. The next morning, Sam woke up early. It was difficult. His body said, "Sleep more." But his heart said, "Start now." He washed his face. He made tea. He opened a small English book. He read one sentence. "Today is a new beginning." Sam smiled. He studied for 10 minutes only. Not 1 hour, not 5 hours, just 10 minutes. He said, "Small steps are better than no steps." New habits, new life. Every day, Sam did 3 small things. He woke up early. He learned 5 new English words. He walked for 15 minutes. At first, it was hard. Some days he wanted to quit, but he remembered the old man's words. Decide to become better than yesterday. After 1 month, Sam felt different. He was more confident. He spoke English simple sentences. He felt proud of himself. A big change. After 6 months, Sam applied for a new job. This time, he spoke in English during the interview. He was nervous, but he tried and he got the job. Sam could not believe it. He said, I did not change because of money. I changed because of my decision. He helped his family. He helped himself. He felt happy, the real success. One day Sam walked on the same road where he met the old man. It was sunny. He stood there and said, Thank you, stranger. You changed my life. Sam learned an important lesson. Success is not magic. Success is daily effort. Success is small decisions every day. Life lesson. Remember, change does not need money. Change needs a decision. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. One step today is better than many plans tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel.